Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to part 3 of my gele time. So in this video I want to show you guys how I tied 3 different styles. I think the knots in front, then the cone like style, then I don't know the name, I don't know what names to give to them, but they are very fine style you can tie when you're going to church. Or so I placed the gele on my head and as usual fold the tip of the gele. After doing that, I made 2 unequal ends, one longer than the other as you have seen. Then I roll up the back. I rolled up the back of the gele so that my hair can be free to show outside. Then I started making my pleats. Remember our pleats in front by folding. Yeah, so I started making pleats. I think I made about 3 or so. This one's to our big pleats. I think I'm not yet used to making those small, tiny pleats. But I think I was able to make 3 pleats. So it's just to pull out and fold in front. Yeah, just like this. Just like this. Then I try to arrange and tighten it. I moved it to the back. So you can make as many pleats as you want actually. And the next thing is I took the 2 ends. Okay, for this gele you can even make the 2 equal. I don't know why I made one shorter, but you can actually make the 2 ends equal. Then after taking the 2 ends, I picked one end of each of the long ends and then I knotted. Can you see the way I tied? I took one end of the first one and the other end of the second one. Then I knotted. Then this is how I knotted the ends. I knotted it at the back. Can you see? So some people use pin to pin down what I'm trying to tie there. Can you see? I was tucking them in, while others will just use pin to pin them down. Then I started making pleats. Now the other ends, the other 2 ends are the ones. Can you see? I'm tucking inside. Some people will just use pin at the back. Do you understand? But because I don't want to use pin, like I want us to get used to not using pin all the time in case if we are somewhere we can't find pin. Now this gele is soft. As me this gele were to be very hard, the thing would have stand. Can you see the thing is removing? But I just try to still keep tucking it in. Do you understand? Like I was saying, the gele is soft. As mean it's hard gele, the thing will just stand. But I've used this gele very well. So now that is it. Those knots gele that I used to see in front. You can make yours finer than this, Ojo, and just put more creativity. I was tying this with a rush, and then the gele you are using also determines. So I moved it to the back, and then here I am. I just tried. Can you see the thing keeps removing? So that's where pin is going to work up there. That place that the thing is removing, that's where pin. So I was just trying to tuck it in. So here am I, fine and looking beautiful, looking good, ready for my party. So yeah, that's it. Not in front so quickly, and I'm fine. So I loosed it and I want to tie the second style. Now I picked one hand and I flipped it over, taking the end, that's the end of the hand, and rolling it. Can you see the way I'm rolling it? Then with the other hand, I rolled it with the other hand and then rolled over my hair. If you don't have hair or something there, you can just look for a way to just tack it, to tie them together at the back and tack them. So yeah, I quickly made some big pleats like that. I want to make something cone. You understand? Though I didn't get it very well in this particular video, but I'll be showing you another of this style that I tied very well. So I just tucked it in and you can tie this one for mommy or grandma, anybody. It's actually fine too, but we sissy, we ladies, we might not really like it. So this is me arranging it and trying to make that cone. Some people do it very big and you see the cone showing. So I'm trying to bring out pleats so that they can rest on one another, on each other. So that's it. Yeah. Trying to arrange it to make sure it's looking good. And my gele is not big, so see me. So I'm trying to make the cone, trying to raise the cone higher. So that's it. But if you don't like this style, it's fine. No, I like it. I actually like it. And you can take that hand and tie it at the back, anyways, making it smaller. This one is maybe for church. You don't want the person sitting at the back of you to to not to see the pastor. So yes, I want to tie the third one. Okay, still maintaining the pleats, the 3 pleats I made earlier. Like I said, you can make more than 3 pleats. Oh my god, you can make as many pleats as possible depending on how tiny you fold. You know me, I made big folds. That's why the pleats are just 3. So depending on how tiny you fold. So yeah, I am. So I rolled the shorter hand. Yeah, I rolled it. I used to do I rolled it and placed it over my head. So I'm trying to bring my hair out at the back. Yeah, I'm trying to bring my hair out at the back. Then I twisted and rolled that's the other end of the gele. Can you see, just like this? And then I turned it around the first one, just like this. Can you see the way I did it? You can just bring out something from here. You can turn it, twist it, whichever way you want. So the end part, can you see? This is it. I just rolled it. Can leave it like this. Anyway, this is where pin works too. That one I'm holding at the back. So people just use pin and pin it down. Do you understand? But I tucked it in under my gele. I'm used to tucking ends of the gele under gele, since I will not be using it for long. And even if I'll be using it for long, it will still last. Sometimes I will come back home and my head will be paining because I've tied it. So that's me. It's another style. Just do it and rock it to church, anywhere, party, and you're looking good. So I hope you guys have learned something from this video. I'm just trying to make the mouth more pencil. Do you understand? That's just what I'm trying to do. So you can just leave it this way. Thank you for watching.